friends, guess what? We are getting to the point where we know this math well enough that we are going to start putting it into story problems. Ooh, ah. So we're working on Unit 4, Lesson 12, page 189. So I am going to go ahead and do 2 of these with you, and then I will read these to you if you need some support with reading them, but I'm going to ask you to do the last 2 on your own. As always, if you would like to work ahead and go ahead and just finish these pages and you're feeling fluent with your math, you can go ahead and complete this page, turn it in, and then you can go work on iReady Math for the rest of the time. But if you want to work with me, then just stick with me and we'll work on these together. All right, so you need to have page 189 today. So it says, draw a math mountain to solve each word problem. Show how you add or subtract. So if you have forgotten, a math mountain looks like this. So we have our total at the top, and then we have our partners at the bottom. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Just helps us to get a really clear picture of what's happening with our number family that we're working with. So in number 1, it says Teresa has 45 blocks. Then she finds 29 more under the couch. How many blocks does Teresa have now? Do you know what I'm noticing? Is that she finds more. I'm going to go ahead and underline more, because more is a signal word that means plus. So we're going to be adding these numbers together. So if I'm making a math mountain with this, she has 45 and she finds 29 more. So we're looking to find the total. When we're looking for the total, we're adding. So let's go ahead and stack these guys up. 45, 29 plus. Go ahead and, actually I'll go ahead and give you that gentle reminder of how to do this. So we're going to add up 9 plus 5. What does 9 plus 5 equal? Go ahead and type it in the chat when you know a 9 plus 5. Thank you. It's 14. But we know that we don't write 14 down here. That makes us have a weird number. Instead, we take that new 10 and we put it up here. Your parents might call that carrying. So carrying the 10 is something that we used to say when we were kids. We call it now regrouping because we're putting it in a new group. So we leave our 4 ones down here and we put our new 10 up there. Now we're going to add 1 plus 4 plus 2. Go ahead and type in the chat what 1 plus 4 plus 2 more equals. That's right. It's 7 tens, so our total is 74. If you want to take a picture of this when you're done, that's fine. If you want to take a picture of this, please make sure that you have your math mountain over here. That you have your answer right here, and you have your equation right here. So if on either page, I need to see the work that you have finished, okay? All right, so the next one, we're going to look at number 2. Karina's class makes 163 masks. They hang 96 of the masks in the library. How many masks do they have left? So I'm going to go ahead and just work in the book this time, I think. I'm first going to make a math mountain. So we have 2 numbers here. Are those partner-partner or partner-total? What do you think? Right, so this is the amount that they made total. So this is the total that they're starting with. They made 163 masks. They hung 96 of them in the library. They're asking how many they have left. Are we going to add or subtract to find that other partner? Thank you. We're going to subtract 163 minus 96. Now we're going to get into that whole thing where we're going to ask, do we need to ungroup? So we're going to look at the ones and ask, do we need to ungroup? Can we subtract that? 3 take away 6? The bigger number has to be on top, and you can't just put the 6 on top. So we have to go next door. Can we do that? No, we cannot. The big number, once again, is on the bottom. So we're going to have to take that 100 and add it to that 6. So that's going to be 16 tens. Are we done? Once again, we're going to have to take a 10 from here. So now we have 15 tens, and we're going to add 10 to 3, so we get 13. Go ahead and subtract this and see if we can find that answer. Thank you. 13 minus 6 is 7. 15 minus 9 is 6. All right, so our answer is 67 masks. All right. The next one says there are 12 girls and 8 boys in the library. How many children are in the library altogether? Altogether is a signal word that once again means plus. Oops, did I say that? Number 4 says the school store has 90 glue sticks. Then 52 glue sticks are sold. How many glue sticks are left? You know, they said, how many masks do they have left? How many glue sticks are left? Up here, we did a minus. Do you think we'll subtract down here too?